Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show some infographics and then describe how these were created. So this is the theme is modern art, and I thought this was just beautiful. The way this came out. So it's going through 6 different schools and just has information. It's got the artists involved and really nice. So I've got 6 to show, and then I'll describe how they were done. So these are all using the same content, but just have different visual styles to show it. So let's see. Here's another one. So that's kind of interesting. Looks like kind of like a newspaper kind of idea there. And here's this is, so there's different like visual styles, and then you have choices of concise, standard, or detail. I haven't done any detailed ones, which is in beta, but the standard already has a ton of information, so I don't see the need of trying to cram more into it. But this is a concise one, and it's done, in portrait style. So I think also very pretty. And I'll show one more here. And so this is one with the white background, and it's okay too, but I did like the blue background quite a lot, although this is pretty good. These little, the way the came out. So against the white, you can sort of see the paintings, maybe a little better. But I'm playing around with different visual styles. My intent is to come up with a catalog, and then I can, have a way of referring to them and list how well I like the different ones. All right, so I'm doing this with Claude Code. And Claude Code has a skill that allows it to connect to notebooks. So did I show the notebook? Let me go to the notebook. So the notebook is this one. And these are the infographics. So Claude, like if I click on one of these, it's the same thing that I was just showing, just in the notebook. The others were saved to my file system. So Claude Code, let's see if it'll show the prompt here. Yes. So this is the prompt that Claude Code built. So you can see it shows the style, format, and gives the color information, and then a prompt for it. Okay, now in order to teach Claude the skill, what I did was I used a video, this video here, which is how to create epic infographics with Notebooklm for free by Skill Leap AI. So there is an extension, a Chrome extension for Notebooklm. So you just click on this, and then I can tell it which notebook to add it to, which was this one, Movements in Modern Art. And so it added that to, I'm sorry, I said the wrong thing. I have another notebook that has information on Google products. So it's called the Google ecosystem. So I put it in Google ecosystem, and then that told Claude Code what it needed to know in order to build the infographics. And then I just had Claude Code build a skill for it, and I'm just telling it, like, just try out different things and we'll make a catalog for it. That's the idea. And anyway, this one here, I thought this was so nice that I just needed to do a video to show it. So once again, the steps were to get the information from YouTube, because there's lots of content creators with great information about things you can do with Notebooklm. Put that in a notebook, have Claude Code connect to the notebook, get the information so it knows how to write the prompts for the infographics, and point it to the other notebook that had the art stuff in it, and just having you try out different things. So hope you found that interesting, and until next time, thanks for watching.